Bitcoin Blast, a mobile match-3 puzzle game that functions as a Bitcoin (BX) faucet, has officially been restored to the Play Store after Google removed the app last month. Bitcoin Blast marketing images on the Google Play Store. Google, according to previous tweets by Bling, the team behind Bitcoin Blast, Google suspended the app from the store at the end of January without warning, citing concerns over deceptive behavior. Last week, a Bitcoin Blast app at Android client was suspended by the Google Play Store at Google Alative with no warning.
At the time, we were the top-ranked Sharp Bitcoin Rewards app, with nearly 1.4 million users and 20k ratings. Bling official, at Bling_fee, January 27, 2020. Following the removal, which mirrored Google's crackdown on crypto-adjacent apps and content on both the Google Play Store and YouTube, Bling was able to make enough of a ruckus to get the app reinstated.
Google followed up to the appeal by stating, "We're happy to inform you that the appeal has been granted. Your app will be available on the Play Store again once you resubmit it." Bitcoin Blast has since been re-added to the Google Play Store, which will come as good news for the app's 1.4 million claimed users. Interesting, Twitter adds an emoji to the Bitcoin BX hashtag image, Ben Nuttall/Flickr disclaimer, this article is off. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.